Hey guys, 27th day of July 2024. I'm gonna walk across a pedestrian bridge here. This is 55. There's another one. I'm over here by the big homeless camp out over there. They're over here. Just the Little Earth Trail, I guess. Little bike trail you can go on here, but there's no one. This is a pretty expansive one. Kind of hot day today, but it's not bad. The light rail, socialist rail goes along here, so we're gonna take a walk across here. But there's one farther one down, and I hit that one too as well today, maybe on the way back. But yeah, 2025 just comes out. See who the new 47th president is, right? Here we go. Yeah, they're almost up here, so no more bikes or pedestrians only. Yeah, but they always have the motorized ones all the time. So it's a nice pedestrian bridge. It's huge. Socialist train comes across over there. I don't know how long this up, but you got the city of Minneapolis over here. That's their main area over here. 55 is like another way in back and forth into town. I'll go in and out. I'm going back into Bloomington or something. So yeah, it's nice. You can stairs. You can walk down here. There's 55 over there. That's nice. They went to town, this bad boy. They didn't. They really built this sucker to last. You can come up here and sit if you want. They spared no expense on this bad boy, as you can tell. Here's Highway 55 that goes south. I mean, this continues on this way into Minneapolis, then 55 goes all the way out, way west. So the socialist train runs underneath here, as you can tell. I mean, they went to town, this bad boy. I notice a lot of new vloggers now are getting the DJI 3. I have the 2, but I mean, I'm on right now the GoPro. I like the 4, my DJI 4. I've used that before. Have you guys seen that? But this is nice. This is the other bridge is over there. I'm gonna take a right. I'll drive over there and I can park over there and walk across tracks. There's the stadium over there. It looks just like Noah's Ark, if you can kind of see it when you come in. So, but that's the socialist train that goes across. One of the worst mug stations of all over there. But yeah, it's a interesting pedestrian bridge. A lot of bikes on here. I could bike to my sister's house. You can see the socialist train goes right over here. He's humping it. That will connect with one by my house. You can tell, goes off. Kind of train spotting, right? You can tell, it gets a lot of work. I parked over there in that parking lot back by the dock, by the homeless encampment over there. So. They went to town, this bad boy. It's too bad how they come up here and tag it. It's garbage up here. They need a garbage can up here. But driving by it, I'm like, I'm gonna when I get off work, I'm gonna cruise on over here, check this one out. But I don't see any cracks yet. Yeah, those aren't, but you can tell it's big bastard. Yep. Yeah, a lot of the new Vulgars are doing the DJI. I know that Carpenter got one after Daily Woo, and then I think the Yankees in the South got one. Hey, I just do mine like this. You know, I get it. I do gotta get my DJI out. I do like it, too, but this does have zoom. The zoom should be on the side. I mean, my flip is fun for fun stuff. I haven't used that in a long, long time, but it's a fun little camera. Want to do something in your car for fun? So you can see down there a lot of wood. I would cut that wood up, and I'd send that down to Vegas and bring back up rock. So you can tell how the goes down there, and a lot of bikes. But they say no motor vehicles, but bikes have motors on them now. So, yeah. There we go. Turn back around. But they did a nice job, this bad boy. It's a nice pedestrian bridge. It's like almost be 90 degrees today. Had a pretty easy summer. A lot of rain early, but been a pretty mild summer compared to what's been going on out west. Heat wave. But all that wood over here, I'd cut that up and put it on a train and send it down to Las Vegas. But pretty quiet out here today. Not too bad. But it's a nice one. I was listening to Clay Clarkson in Paris right now going on, you guys. She's trying to articulate the Olympics. It's magical. It's magical. It's like, Jesus Christ. There's a bike guy around the corner here. But, yeah, they need a garbage can up here. So they can go over here. Those guys away. Garbage. People are pigs, man. Shame. But it is what it is. But you can see it over there. The Ozark Socialist train track over there. So I'll take a right, and I'll go take that one over there too as well. But yeah, it's a pretty interesting structure. It's pretty nice. So, you know me, I've been obsessed. I got a couple more. When I get around to the one down in Shakopee, they're building another one in St. Paul for 94. When I get around to that one someday, gotta go there and do that. But yeah, you know, it's not too bad. I don't see major cracks in it yet. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, you know, walk along on a beautiful day in July 27th, 2024. Experimenting here. But anyways, guys, so on Pedestrian Bridge 55, the first one out of the two. We'll talk to y'all later. All right. So they did a nice job on it, Minneapolis. See you later.